Copper fitting press tool. Preparation. Cut off copper pipe squarely. Deburring. Jaw installation. Press with impact wrench. Have a side of socket wrench face the operator. Rotate the wrench handle clockwise. Continue turning the wrench handle until white LED light turns on. Have the side of socket wrench face the operator. Rotate the wrench handle anti-clockwise to loosen the tool. Now we have watertight Pro Press connections. Press with impact wrench. White LED light turns on in seconds. Switch impact wrench to loosen mode to release the press tool. Detachable style. For use at heights.